subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Gusto mo bang dumami ang customer mo? O gusto mong lumago ang iyong negosyo at mas lalong dumami ang prospect mo? Kung ito ang hinahanap mo, para sa iyo ang video na to. Simulan na natin. Ang topic natin ngayon is top 4 techniques kung paano makapag-close ng sales. Number 1. Identify the main decision factor. Kilalanin mo maigi ang prospect mo. Nakausap mo at alamin mo siya ba ay ang decision maker could possibly make the purchase. By knowing the decision maker will be able to capitalize on it, kailangan mo siyang pagkatiwalaan. Kung no naman ang sagot, dapat may plan B ka para hindi ka mawalan ng benta. Tanungin mo kung sino ang pwedeng makausap, could help in making purchase decision. Yung paiba-iba ng binibili. Number 2 is overcome the objection. Identify if it is an objection or just a concern. Recognize where the objection is coming and approach in an authentic manner to make it relatable to your prospect. Huwag kang matakot na sumagot mga objections or concern ng mga prospect mo. Remember, selling is serving. Number 3, be authentic. Dapat kakaiba ka. Present yourself to your prospect without being fake about your product or being fake as a person. Kailangan mo to para hindi ka matawag na scam. Don't overhype your product or services. Most of all, avoid giving false promises. Yung mga fake news nating naririnig. Highlight the best part of your product and then i-relate natin to sa customer natin or kaya sa prospect natin. Number 4. Be mindful and aware of whatever you say and do. You need to be careful to control your emotions and handling the question of your prospect. Yung paiba-iba ka ng emosyon. Learn control your emotion and be professional. Mahayaan mo ang sarili mo mag-init ang ulo mo, potentially not be able to close this sale. Thank you for watching.